Okay, watch to the end to understand this strategy and learn how you can make money using this amazing strategy. Okay, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop amazing strategies to make money. All right, good, let's go. So now, if you see an uptrend like this is volatility 10 index. You see an uptrend on any synthetic index and you want to get into such trade. Okay, currently this is an uptrend. You just have to go to a higher time frame like the 4-hour time frame, and you can see here I have a downtrend line, first touch right here, second touch, and finally the third touch. You get, so this is the third touch. So all you need to do is go to a lower time frame just like this, and carefully I can see how the market is moving to the upside. All I just need to do, you get a trend line, just get a trend line, stretch it all the way to the upside, connect it from the first touch to the second touch, and stretch it all through. So carefully you can see there is a breakout. So once price was moving up, bounce it again. So once you see price breaks it, then you are free to enter a sell. But however, I like to introduce my indicator strategy, which is the 10 moving average, period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. And I introduce the moving average into my chart. And also I like to introduce the MACD. Just do this for more confirmations. This is the MACD fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, and then you click done. So once you have these two, all you need to watch out for them is watch out for the moving average to cross above the chart just like mine now, and then the MACD, the red line on the MACD should cross above the graph. That simply means, okay, both price action and indicator strategy are telling you to sell, that this is going to VIX10 is going to sell. So that's how you can confirm your trades and get into such amazing trade. However, with just price action, it's saying sell, and as you can see, it is selling and we're making money. So if you are not in our Telegram group, which is the Forex Success Telegram group, please click on the link at the description of this video to join the group, cause we do give us signals right there so you can also trade this for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And if you don't know what we're trading synthetic indices. The link is at the description of this video, so you can create an account right on the link, using the link to create an account. Thank you very much for watching. This is Forex Success.